Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both Sims so their baseline favors romance. Pick romantic or outgoing traits and remove mean tendencies. Once done, place them in a private, dimly lit room with romantic music and candles to create positive moodlets that increase flirt success. Make sure to raise the social bar to around 50% with friendly conversation first, because building rapport reduces rejection chance and unlocks stronger romantic options quickly. You now execute deliberate romantic actions, alternate friendly and flirty interactions in short bursts, too friendly, then too flirty, to keep comfort up while raising attraction. Because the game checks charisma and mood, make sure one sim has charisma at level 3 or higher. This increases success rates for compliments and kiss attempts. Also use consumables like a romance potion or items that grant strong flirty moodlets. These stack with the environment and make advanced. You finish by escalating when both social and flirty meters are high. Attempt to kiss, then make out, and when rapport is solid, ask to be partners. Do these within a single strong flirty moodlet window because moodlets expire. Timing matters. If rejection happens, don't force it. Use friendly conversation to rebuild rapport and try again, or reset the problem's sim if they bug out. This approach minimizes negative moodlets and maximizes success rates, closing the romance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.